G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, today's been a shaky kind of day with that ominous deck of middle cloud floating in from the west, but most of us got through it pretty dry, and tomorrow should be bright and sunny. Daytime temperatures have been surprisingly low this past week for the Wide Bay Burnett, and that trend continued today, with tops only reaching the low 20s for most stations, though a lot milder at night. Now, the satellite loop is a little bit messy. As you can see, we had another one of those weak upper level troughs, pretty fast moving, crossing the state today. Lots of cloud, started breaking up during the afternoon, but we ended up getting a couple of rogue storms, one just near Charters Towers on the Gregory Ranges, for which a warning was issued this afternoon, a couple of little other thunderheads on the way, but it's all going to clear out to sea tomorrow. Let's look at today's chart now. On the surface, we have what's left of that trough joining Mount Isa, but it's the upper level system that's brought most of the cloud. We also have a high that's moving across the bight. At the moment, it's still too far away to bring any wind. On tomorrow's chart, though, it will start to slowly increase the winds along the east coast, but not before we get a little bit of fog because of the light wind situation at first, and then it strengthens later. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau. The boating forecast for Hervey Bay waters southwest to southeasterlies 10 to 15 knots only tomorrow. Could reach 20 knots at times on Wednesday, and then back to 10 to 15 for Thursday, southeast to northeast. Gary offshore, west-southwesterlies at just light at first, but then a 15 to 20 knot south-southeasterly kicking in later on. Staying at 15 to 20 knots for Wednesday, then dropping just a touch for Thursday. Our high tides at the moment are happening around the middle of the day, and our lows near dawn and dusk. Still a decent swing on the back of the recent full moon. The Wide Bay Burnett District, a bright sunny day tomorrow with Bundaberg ranging 13 to a comfy 26 degrees, Gayndah also 26, Hervey Bay 25 and Maribor 27. Looking ahead for Bundaberg, cooling down this Wednesday but warming up again ahead of the next wave of showers on Friday, probably just a few millimetres and clearing in time for another sunny weekend. I've had a request to explain the strange images of upside-down mountains, sometimes seen in the Carnarvon Ranges on winter mornings. This fabricated picture is an example of what we call a superior mirage. It's an optical illusion that occurs when light from a distant object gets reflected off a cold air boundary before it gets to our eyes, making it look like it's hanging upside down in mid-air. Ancient seafarers apparently used superior mirages to catch a glimpse of faraway lands, well before they appeared above the horizon. Pretty clever, isn't it? I'm certainly impressed. And that's a wrap for this Monday evening. Hope to catch you all again tomorrow, but for now, it's back to the team.
Thank you very much, Liv. Good on you, mate. Well, that wraps it up, folks. And a reminder, anything you'd like to catch again, our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. Look forward to seeing it tomorrow night. Good night.